Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of REM Bus. I'm your host, Kazz. As always, I've got Callum with me. Welcome to the show, Callum.
Hey everyone.
So, guys, it's today is the weekend. Obviously, Bitcoin is plummeted a bit, but it's all good, still solid. Everything's running good. Obviously, the REM is fluctuates according to the market, so nothing's changed. No panic. Everyone's still feeling bullish. 92% bullish in coin market cap. The whole community. No one's panicking. It's just the market. But let's go to Callum and let's see actually what happened and where we at the moment. Callum, over to you.
Thank you very much, Kaz. Hi to everyone, guys. Yes, look, as Kaz mentioned, there have been a lot of fluctuations and negative fluctuations certain times in the market as well, negative or positive. We're in the neutral zone in our minds. We're focused and we are looking at a lot of things. So, guys, as I always say, make sure you keep your focus on. Whether we go to bull market or bear market or whatever, it doesn't matter. You buy on the right times, you sell on the right times. That's all it matters. Doesn't matter how long it takes. We'll wait and we'll see this market through. And that's why you got REM team to guide you on these things as well. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and press that bell icon whenever you get that opportunity, right? So you get the latest information. Without further ado, let's go to the markets now, guys. So I'll share my screen with you. Now you can see my screen here, guys. This is the Bitcoin and the altcoin charts. You can see they're all in bargain prices, guys. As I can mention, you know what? All coins are going really down, which is a solid small amount. You can chunks you can grab. With Bitcoin, guys, I would say you know what? My cautious decision on Bitcoin is hold. Don't either sell or buy into Bitcoin because you may regret. You can see there's been dropped here in the last 7 days. You can see what's happening here, right? So even though you see this, I would say word of caution, please be careful. You don't need to jump into conclusions. Just wait there, hang in there, right? Given that information, let me go to the Bitcoin chart. Just want to show you we are here. I usually show this information. This is the Bitcoin USD daily chart, right? Which we can go to the 4-hour chart to show you. If you look at the current position, we have dropped from going to from 120 something over here, 125. We dropped down to 86. Now for the last few weeks, you can see there has been a consolidation, like here, a consolidation for a certain amount of time since November till now, till Feb, now almost February. You can see this has been, the chart has been showing us here. Now, what can happen if you go back to the daily chart is that it may drop down again towards here, right? So, the way I draw things as I mentioned, right, from, let's say from here, towards here, it's just a line, guys. Nothing much fancy. And we got again this, grab this chart, and let's say we put here. Let's do that again from here. And draw a line into the last bear market in 2020 to 2023. This is a good question, actually. Cash, you've been asking me this. What we can do is we can extend this line just to get an indicator, guys. And I'm not saying this is going to happen, but you see, if you put like 2027 till 2027, you got some indicators here, right? So you can see here till here around say April 2027, we're looking around say here, which is like 36 USD. So around say 40ish, 50ish, 36, we can see if there's a drop here all the way to the bear market, we're looking around say somewhere here, which is around say 30 to 40 USD T or USD change here. So look, This is where you need to purchase. I did mention to you over here when it was hype, right? Let's take some profit. And when you take some profit, you don't take things here. You wait till it goes down around here to purchase. You dollar cost average around this area, whereas the 60s, from 68, I would say, all the way to say 40s, even 30s. If you see something, that's where you accumulate. This is the accumulation phase. Like here, this would be your accumulation phase in 2020 to 2023, right? Over here. And even here, this is an accumulation phase. Even though it goes up, you can still accumulate. So this zone here, let me get that. This zone from here to here, see, this is a zone, is where you can accumulate. Same thing can happen here, right? Where you can accumulate. This is where you accumulate Bitcoin, right? So I just want to show you that. Okay, so if we go to the indicators of Bitcoin, see Bitcoin USDT, this is the 4-hour chart. There's a drop here. Guys, if you want to accumulate, I don't mind. But remember, when you accumulate here, you're basically saying that it needs to go up here as well. Okay, so that's what it is. Then looking at the REM chart, guys, the REM, it looks like it's going to go upwards here. And, that's what we're looking around here. The 4-hour chart looks great. This is the 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart. You can see the RSI is down here, good indication. And the daily chart shows us, again, RSI down here, guys. RSI is between 20, 30 over here is a good indicator for us to purchase, right? Go to the weekly chart, right? Again, good purchase because we're looking around here to go one day. The beauty of RSIs and the beauty of REM, guys, in MEXC, you can purchase from MEXC, is that, this is strongly built in utilities, and we'll talk about our utilities. That's going to happen soon, guys. And this is what you need to focus on, right? Coming back to the market, looking at the fear and greed indication, like guys, fear and indication, greed, guys, last week, yesterday it was 37, now it's 38. This is a good indicator for you to see where you are, right? Even though the last month it was 30. So this is what you see. And altcoin season as well, with the fear and greed indication, it can go different as well. Look, still on 32. We still got hope, guys. It can be one-off, quick bang, upwards. We can get some profit. That can happen as well. So keep tuned. Don't think that this is the end of the world and slack out, right? All these are in a bargain price, right? The ones I've showed you. All these coins, especially the ones that I talked to you about, like Polkadot, the dot coin, and there are other things that I've showed you last time as well. Please keep an eye on it because that can be sometimes other projects. They're not just REM. We would like to highlight those projects for you as well. Bear in mind all these. We are an ecosystem. We are an industry. We look at the industry point of view, not just REM. But same time, I'm going to tell you, REM is a solid start for the future because tokenization of real world assets that we deal with day to day things are the need for the businesses. And I'm telling you, you stick with REM team and us, our project, and you watch what we do, and you would understand how much value we bring to this industry for the market, not just crypto market, blockchain industry, but also to the property market. As the CEO of REM and Propertyverse, I can guarantee you something. We would do our ultimate best to bring these utilities and everything to the market and everything for you to be for you to leverage, right? Kazz is working on good projects and working with those contacts and everything as well. Kazz, we can probably highlight a little bit, right? We have an AMA coming up today with Gunit De Silva, right? In regards to the properties and everything that he wants to point out to you, how money can fluctuate, how we can add value, and the utilities that we're bringing on. Stay tuned on that as well, right, Kazz?
That's right. There you go, guys. Yes, a project without utilities is a dead project. Yeah, right. We all know that. So that's where REM is very stronger. And like Callum said, please join our AMA tonight. It's actually going to join a real life project example with our Dubai real estate project. So how to tokenize, how can REM connects cryptocurrency to Dubai property and the tokenization, where it matters. So with this, we have the REM, how it's going to bridge the gap. So we're going to talk that in detail tonight. I think a lot of interested parties will join us because Dubai property is the one of the hot topics these days. Everyone want to go there. A lot of people want to go there. Want to actually inquiring about Dubai. So don't miss that out, guys. So like, follow, and send. We'll join you guys tonight, 11 p.m. UTC. It's live, and please come and ask away all the questions. Some jurisdictional issues we might not be able to answer straight away, but we can talk with our partner lawyers in Dubai. We can bring you those answers maybe in the next one, or even REM bus, or we can put a notification in our social media platforms for those answers about the jurisdictional. Like I said, we're not lawyers, but we can grab our partners to into that, or we might organize another AMA session with our partners. You never know. So that's the one that's on the card. So guys, again, thank you very much for joining us. It's not end of the world, like Callum said. Hold on. We all hold it. We're still feeling bullish. Have a great week and weekend ahead. And we'll see you in another episode of RM Bus very soon. See you guys. Have a blessed weekend. See ya.
Bye, guys.